Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got these four empty boxes such that if we multiply these two boxes, we are supposed to get 51. And if we multiply these two vertical boxes, we are supposed to get 99. And furthermore, if we add these two vertical boxes, we are supposed to get 23. And finally, if we subtract these two horizontal boxes, we are supposed to get 18. And now we are going to fill out these boxes by figuring out the appropriate values for each every empty box. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And here's the very first step. Let me go ahead and label these empty boxes. Let me label this one as an A, this one as a lowercase b, this as a c, and this as a lowercase d. And now we can see that if we multiply these two boxes, a times b is going to be 51. Let me go ahead and write down a times b equals to 51. And if we multiply these two boxes, we are going to get b times d equals to 99. Let me go ahead and write down b times d equals to 99. And now let's focus on these boxes. A plus c equals to 23. Let me go ahead and write down a plus c equals to 23. And finally, this c minus d is supposed to be 18. Let me go ahead and write down c minus d equals to 18. And now we can see that we got these four equations, and we are going to solve them by using elimination method as well as substitution method. And here's our next step. Let's focus on these two equations. We are going to subtract. So let's go ahead and subtract. I'm going to change the sign. This c becomes negative sign. This negative become positive sign. Likewise, this become negative sign. And we can see that this c and this negative c, this is gone. So we ended up with the a plus d equals to 23 minus 18 is going to give us 5. So therefore, as a result, we got this equation a plus d equals to 5. Let me go ahead and call this our equation number 1. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this very first equation, ab equals to 51. Let me go ahead and divide both sides by b. And as a result, we got this one, the left hand side, this b and b is gone. So we got a equals to 51 divided by b. And likewise, let's focus on this second equation, b times d equals to 99. Let me go ahead and divide both sides by b as well. So therefore, we can write this equation, this b and b is gone. So we got d equals to 99 divided by b. And now let's focus on this equation 1. Here I'm going to replace this a by this 51 divided by b. Likewise, I'm going to replace this d by 99 divided by b in this equation 1. So let's go ahead and substitute these values. So we got 51 divided by b plus 99 divided by b equals to 5. And now let's go ahead and remove these fractions by multiplying by b across the board with each and every term. And we can see that this b and b is gone. So we ended up with 51 plus, likewise, this b and b cancels out. We got 99 equals to, on the right hand side, 5 times b is going to become 5b. So let's go ahead and divide both sides by 5 to isolate b. This 5 and 5 is gone. So therefore, our b value turns out to be 30. So thus the value of this box b turns out to be 30. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this equation a equals to 51 divided by b. And here I have copied it down, and let's go ahead and replace this b, which is 30 in our case that we figure it out. So therefore A is going to be 51 divided by 30, and that is going to give us, if we simplify, that is going to give us 1.7. So thus the value of this box A turns out to be 1.7. And now let's focus on this next equation, D equals to 99 divided by B. And here I have copied it down. Let's go ahead and replace this B value by 30. So D is going to become 3.3 value. So therefore the value for this box D turns out to be 3.3. And here's our final step. Let's focus on this box C. We are supposed to be adding these numbers. A is 1.7 and this box C, and we're supposed to get 23. So therefore this box has got to be 21.3. So therefore the value for this box C turns out to be 21.3. And finally, let's go ahead and check these two horizontal boxes. 21.3 minus 3.3 is going to give us indeed 18. So therefore we conclude that all these values are our valid solutions. So thus our solution turns out to be A equal to 1.7, B equals to 30, C equals to 21.3, and finally D equals to 3.3. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.